Transform ordinary footage into extraordinary visuals by mastering the art of adding overlays in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, let's get your assets into Premiere Pro in your project panel. Click File, then Import, or simply double-click in an empty area. Navigate to your files, select them, and hit Import to bring in your main video, any graphics like logos or animated lower thirds, and even other video clips you might want to use as overlays. Now, drag your main video clip from the project panel down onto your timeline, placing it on the video 1 track. This is the foundation of your edit. Next, grab the overlay element you want to add, €, perhaps a brand logo, a text graphic, or even another video clip, €, and drag it onto your timeline. Crucially, place this overlay clip on a track above your main video. So, if your main video is on video 1, place your overlay on video 2 or higher. As soon as you place it on a higher track, you'll see your overlay appear on top of your main footage in the program monitor. It might not be perfectly positioned or sized just yet, but that's what we'll fix next. With your overlay clip selected on the timeline, head over to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you have powerful tools. Use the Scale property to resize your overlay. Drag the Position property to move it around the frame. €, you can click and drag directly in the program monitor, or adjust the X and Y values here. For a subtler integration, play with the opacity. Lowering the opacity makes your overlay semi-transparent, allowing the main video to show through. This is perfect for watermarks or subtle branding elements. You can also add further refinements. Go to the Effects panel. €, usually found grouped with your project panel. Search for effects like crop to fine-tune the edges of your overlay, or any other effect that enhances your visual. Drag the chosen effect onto your overlay clip in the timeline. Once applied, the properties for that effect will appear in your Effect Controls panel, allowing you to customize them precisely. For instance, with the crop effect, you can trim away unwanted parts of your overlay to make it fit perfectly. And there you have it. You can layer multiple overlays, use text animations, or even incorporate video footage as dynamic overlays, all by following these simple steps. Start experimenting and take your video storytelling to the next level.